This is a breaking news alert.
The Democrats devastated today after the Supreme Court issues a game-changing ruling on unions. According to Hank Berrien for the Daily Wire, he reports it on Wednesday in a decision that was a major blow to public sector and teachers' unions. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of a public sector employee who refused to join a public union and objected to paying a union fee that was automatically deducted from his paycheck every month under the union's contract. Justice Samuel Alito wrote in the decision that, quote, states and public sector unions may no longer extract agency fees from non-consenting employees. Now, the case involved a man named Mark Janis, a child support worker in Illinois, who would not join the American Federation of State, County, and Municipal Employees, which represents state employees. He would not pay the $45 union fee known as an agency or fair share fee that the union demanded every month from his paycheck. Take a look.
I do now have Mark Janis and his lawyer, Jacob Hubert, with us now, right outside the Supreme Court. Mark, to you first, significant victory and a bigger victory than you were expecting, I suspect.
Well, we were very optimistic. We were hopeful that it would go our direction, and now that it has, it's been a very, very enjoyable decision. I'm just ecstatic and fantastically excited about it, because we now got 5 million workers, government public sector workers, that now can make their own choice that they had not previously been able to do.
Mr. Hubert, I understand this is a much broader ruling than we were expecting, specifically the end of the closed shop. And if you're a worker hired by the government or private enterprise, you have to opt into the union as opposed to being forced to opt out. Much broader ruling.
I haven't actually read the text of the decision yet. We were just in the courtroom and heard Justice Alito summarize the decision, so I can't get into details, but absolutely it sounded like this ruling gives us everything we asked for. It says that government workers have the right to choose whether they're going to give any money to a public sector union.
The right of the union to collect the fee was based on the Supreme Court decision in Abood versus Detroit Board of Education. And that decision permitted a union to charge only for services from which non-union members benefited, including negotiating and administering a collective bargaining agreement and handling grievance procedures, as Marketplace.org noted. But the Supreme Court reversed the Abood decision, ruling that Janis was undisputedly injured, in fact, by Illinois' agency fee scheme, and his injuries can be redressed by a favorable court decision. The state's extraction of agencies' fees from non-consenting public sector employees violates the First Amendment. Abood erred in concluding otherwise, and stare decisis cannot support it. Abood is therefore overruled. Now, President Trump took note of the decision. He put out this tweet stating, Supreme Court rules in favor of non-union workers who are now, as an example, able to support a candidate of his or her choice without having those who control the union deciding for them. Trump notes here a big loss for the coffers of the Democrats. Yes, President Trump is getting even more winning Supreme Court today, issuing this ruling. So comment below. If you're a union guy, what are your thoughts on this? I'd like to hear it in the comments, and we'll talk down there. See you at the next report. For the Next News Network, I'm Gary Franchi. You know, there's always a bull market somewhere. And with the recent volatility in the crypto markets, a lot of investors are scratching their heads as to when it will bounce back. TradeGeniusAcademy.com suggests that it is possible to make money when the market is up and when the market is down. So how do they do this? Well, you can learn all about it online with their new crypto course called Crypto Bear Market Strategies Volume 1. Their multi-session course at TradeGeniusAcademy.com teaches you the skills that you need to possess to profit from the cryptocurrencies when the price of Bitcoin or other cryptos decline. The traders at Trade Genius Academy, they profit hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every single day utilizing bear market strategies. So visit TradeGeniusAcademy.com and don't miss out and join their program. TradeGeniusAcademy.com has also released the Binary Options Money Machine, their new software indicator that has successfully contributed to Trade Genius's 95-4 win-loss record since 2017. Well, it's now available for purchase. You can use the very same software indicator to predict binary options probabilities for your own trades. Right now at TradeGeniusAcademy.com, they're offering a spring bundle, 8 packages that reduce rates for new customers just looking to get their feet wet. So check them out at TradeGeniusAcademy.com. Thank you for watching that report. If you want more, subscribe to the channel by clicking on the Next News Network logo right here. And you can watch our latest news reports by clicking here. Or for the latest breaking news, click right here. Also, if you want to watch the most viral news on the channel, the news reports that Hillary and Obama hate, then click right here.